Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Lost Soul Aside game crashing, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen problem on PS5. So here follow the solutions. First solution is to restart your PlayStation PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and check problem is fixed or not. Second solution is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license, select Lost Soul Aside game and then select restore. Now select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check problem fixed or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and account, other, sign out, wait for few minutes and then log in back. Now launch the game and check. If you have any other secondary account, then you can log in with that and you can also check if that works or not. Fourth solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Switch between these 2 GHz and check which one works for you. Fifth solution is to disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then turn on enable HDCP and then check. Sixth solution is to change console language. So open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to the language section and then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language and then check if this problem is solved or not. Seventh solution is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Launch Lost Soul Aside game and then check if the problem is solved or not. Eighth solution is to delete game data and cache. Make sure to backup the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage delete. Choose Lost Soul Aside, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console, then launch the game and check. Ninth solution is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, setup internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose do not specify for DHCP hostname. In the DNS setting, choose manual and enter the primary DNS as 888 and the secondary DNS as 8844. Now for the proxy server, choose do not use and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process once again and in the primary DNS type 1111 and in the secondary DNS type 1001 and then you can launch the game and check. Last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using an SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Lost Soul Aside game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if that helps. So by following these fixes, you can fix the crashing, not launching, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or a black screen problem on PS5 for the game Lost Soul Aside. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.